What's up, YouTube? Let's just dive right into it. Here we go. Are kit lenses really that bad? Are they really that bad? Because I see the same things online all the time. Get rid of your kit lens. I just bought a camera. It came with a kit lens. But now I want to get a 50mm. What should I do? Oh, you know what? Yeah, get rid of the kit lens. Buy the 50. You know what? I'm gonna just put a stop to this right now. A kit lens is not inherently bad. A kit lens, all it is a lens that comes together with the camera body as a package. That's it. Technically, you can buy the camera body and then still go out and buy that exact same lens separately. Yes, it will cost you more money because it's not together in a package. However, camera body with an 1855 that comes together with it is considered a kit lens. The camera body with the same 1855 that you've bought separately all of a sudden is not a kit lens. It's the exact same lens though. Camera body with duo package of 1855 and 5250 or 55-300 or 5200. You can buy all those lenses separately if you really wanted to spend more money. The other one is kit lens would be an 18-135 or 18-140 coming together in one package as a kit with the camera body. That's the only reason why they are considered kit lenses, because it comes together in a box, in a kit, including the lens and the camera body. Those two things are a kit. Now, is there anything wrong with the kit lens? No. No, there is not. The reason they have a bad name is, yes, as you go higher up the chain in regards to lens quality, when you start spending really high amounts of money on higher quality optics for different lenses, like Sony has the G Master series, you've got Canon L Glass, then you have the very high-end Nikkor lenses, Pentax has the DA Star series. Yes, you do spend more money for those optics, but does that mean that kit lenses are useless? No. Does it mean that you cannot get extremely high quality shots out of kit lenses? No. I'm going to show you images that I took using an 1855 kit lens, a 5200 kit lens, and an 18-135 kit lens. All three of those lenses, even when I was shooting as a resident nightclub photographer and all I was using was an 1855 kit lens. I'm going to show you those images. Now the thing is, especially when I was shooting at the nightclub, because you have to remember a lot of people are inebriated, you're shooting for hours on end. If something did actually happen to that lens, it wasn't that big of a deal because it didn't cost so much to have to replace it. But if I was shooting with, say, a Sigma Art, 1020 or something around those lines, yeah, it would cost a fair amount more to replace that lens, and that was just something that wasn't worth it to me. Like, I needed to make sure that I had this income stream all the time, so I never had any complaints. The images are great. Yes, the edges around the lens may not be as sharp as higher end glass, but the center is still sharp enough for you to be able to use it and generate some income. I don't understand why there is such a terrible name in regards to kit lenses, but let's just get into the images, and I will put a little thingy thing up there to let you know exactly which lens was shot for which image, and the rest of the verdict is up to all of you. Let's go! So now you've seen it for yourself. You've seen the images, you've seen what they look like. 3 different kit lenses. That's pretty much it. I mean, you can come to your own conclusion. So in a nutshell, as I said at the beginning of the video, kit lenses are not inherently bad. There's really nothing wrong with having a kit lens. I mean, yes, they are the more economical choice in regards to a lens. The build, construction, the way the elements are all put together, all the glass elements inside, the various lenses and how they bend light and sharpness and micro contrast, they're not going to be at the absolute epitome of what you would get when you get into the higher end professional glass. But other than that, there's really absolutely nothing wrong whatsoever with the kit lens. And everything that you can do with a professional grade lens, you can basically do with a kit lens. I'm not talking about the insane, bokeh blur that you would get with, say, a 1.4 Pro grade lens versus a kit lens that's 3.5 to 5.6. That's not what I'm talking about. But as a beginner, you don't want to be blowing all your money because you're not even sure if this is something you're really going to be pursuing for the long term anyway, right? So don't jump at overextending yourself in regards to spending way more than you absolutely need to. Start off with the kit lenses. Use that to learn the fundamentals of photography, composition, the exposure triangle. Learn all the functions of your camera. Learn the various metering modes, the exposure modes. Like there's nothing you cannot actually do in regards to capturing an image just because you have a kit lens. So I guess in a nutshell also, don't blame your gear for things that you haven't fundamentally understood as of yet. It's a process. Even absolute professional photographers still learn something new. There's so many billions of elements and accessories to help along the way, and new products that come out that people aren't even aware of, and it's a constant educational journey. Whether you're a beginner, an amateur, intermediate, advanced amateur, pro, we are all constantly learning no matter what we do. So basically, enjoy your kit lens. Use it. I would go so far as to say abuse it, but there's nothing wrong with the kit lens. So don't feel bad that you have a kit lens. You've seen the images yourself. And that's pretty much it. So just enjoy the craft of just taking pictures. That's why are you even watching this still? Go take some pictures after you like the video. So if you like the video, leave a like. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. It helps me out. If you'd like to support the channel, I leave that information at the bottom of the description. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And you will see me in my next video. I'm out.